Now we have the Bohr's postulate, or the second postulate, that is the quantum concept or condition. Now, according to the Rutherford's experiment, which was officially done by two of his students, that is Geiger and Marsden, the gold foil experiment, in which the gold foil was bombarded with alpha particles, and the limitation of that experiment was that by electromagnetic theory, accelerating particles radiate energy. So if we have a charged particle such as an electron, which is accelerating, it would radiate energy. So now, if we are in a circular motion, we know that every point the velocity is changing because the direction is changing. So thus, acceleration is nothing but the change in velocity per time. So now the velocity is changing. So therefore, there is some acceleration in a circular orbit or circular path. The thing is, if there is acceleration, the electrons would radiate energy, and they will at the end just collapse into the nucleus. But we know that atoms physically have a meaning, or they exist, and this is not what happens in nature. So now Bohr said that the angular momentum of an electron in an orbital is nothing but nh upon 2 pi. And electrons just do not revolve in any orbital. They revolve in orbital that means they revolve in orbitals in which they have an angular momentum of nh upon 2 pi, where n can have any values from 1 to infinity, and where n is the principal quantum number, where n denotes the number of the orbital in which the electron is, and h is the Planck's constant, which has a value of 6.6 into 10 to the power 7 joule second. Now you will be asking how joule second, and I'll tell you in the next lecture.